Hey Wealth Wave family! Welcome back to the channel where we break down money matters that actually matter to you. And today? Oh man, we've got some exciting news that could put real money, and I mean $2,000 right into your pocket. If you're receiving SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits, then this one's especially for you. Are you ready for a $2,000 stimulus check that could change your financial future? That's not clickbait, it's real. The IRS is officially rolling out these payments, and depending on your birth date, you could see this direct deposit hit your account very soon. So grab your calendar and maybe even a notepad, because I'm going to break down everything you need to know: who qualifies, when the payments are arriving, how to make sure you don't miss it, and how to avoid scams while you're at it. What's the deal with the $2,000 stimulus check? Let's start with the basics. Yes, the IRS is sending out a $2,000 stimulus payment, and this is big. These checks are a targeted effort to provide relief to those on fixed incomes, especially seniors and disabled individuals receiving government support through SSI, Supplemental Security Income, SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance, and VA benefits. The payment schedule, based on your birth date. The IRS has decided to roll out these payments in batches, and here's how it's going to work based on your birth date. Born between the 1 and 10 of any month? Your payment will arrive on August 15, 2024. Born between the 11 and 20? Your date is August 21, 2024. Born between the 21 and 31? Expect your deposit on August 28, 2024. Important tip: banks and card issuers may process these a little slower, so don't panic if it takes a day or two after that date for the money to actually hit your account. How will you get your $2,000? There are 3 ways you could receive this payment. Direct deposit: if the IRS has your banking info on file, the money will go straight into your account, just like your regular benefits. Direct express card: many SSDI and SSI recipients use this. Good news, your $2,000 will be loaded onto this card automatically. Paper check by mail: if you don't have direct deposit or a card on file, a physical check will be mailed to your last known address. Heads up, this method takes the longest and can be delayed by postal service issues. Eligibility: do you qualify? Alright, Wealth Wave family, here's who qualifies for this $2,000 stimulus check. You must be a U.S. citizen or resident alien. You must currently be receiving SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits. You cannot be claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return. The IRS must have your correct payment information. If you've changed banks, moved homes, or switched cards recently, make sure your info is updated with the IRS to avoid any delays. Haven't received it yet? Don't panic. If the date passes and you don't see that $2,000 in your account or mailbox, here's what to do. Use the IRS Get My Payment tool. Go to the official IRS website and enter your info. This tool shows your payment status, the method being used, and whether there's any issue. Now more than ever, scammers are targeting seniors. They might call, text, or email pretending to be the IRS. Don't fall for it. The IRS will never call, text, or email asking for your Social Security number, bank account info, or ask you to pay taxes or fees to release a stimulus check. If you get a suspicious message, delete it, hang up, or report it. The only legit updates come directly from the IRS, not some random phone number. Quick reminders for peace of mind. This stimulus payment is not taxable. It won't affect your monthly SSI or SSDI benefits. You don't need to apply if you qualify, it's automatic. Using a direct express card or bank account? You're already set. What if you don't file taxes? If you normally don't file taxes because your income is low or you're not required to, no worries. The IRS has a tool just for you called the Non-Filer Portal, where you can submit your direct deposit info securely. That way, you avoid waiting for a paper check. Bonus tip: look into extra assistance programs. The $2,000 check is awesome, but don't stop there. Many states offer programs specifically for low-income seniors and people with disabilities, such as utility assistance, rental help, food programs, healthcare discounts. Contact your local Department of Health and Human Services or utility companies. You might be eligible for more help than you think. Future stimulus payments? Here's what we know. As of now, this $2,000 is considered a one-time payment, but depending on economic conditions and political decisions, we may see more aid in the future. Be sure to subscribe to WealthWave so you never miss an update. Folks, this $2,000 payment could be the lifeline so many of you have been waiting for to catch up on bills, buy groceries, or just breathe a little easier. Here at WealthWave, we're always watching the updates, reading the fine print, and delivering the news in a way that's easy to understand because you deserve clarity, not confusion. Make sure you're subscribed, tap that bell so you don't miss any future updates, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I read them all, and I'm here to help. Take care, stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, ride the wave, the wealth wave.